Today we are looking at the Save Image node in ComfyUI. This node is simple, but it is the final step that stores your generated image. If load image brings an existing image into ComfyUI, Save Image does the opposite in a way. It takes the finished result and save it out of the workflow. So to create the Save Image node, double click and type Save Image and click on the node Save Image and again click to create the node. You can also give name to your output image. So here currently it is named as ComfyUI. We will just give it a name output image. Think of this node like the export button. After the image is generated, save image is what keeps that final result on your system. The save image node saves the output image from your workflow. It does not generate the image itself. It only receives the final image from the previous node and writes it to the disk. So let's connect this, and if we run this, if you see in your output folder, you can see our output image has been saved here. This is important because without save image, your generated result may only stay inside the workflow preview. Save image makes sure the final image is actually stored as a file. Technically, save image takes image data from the workflow and save it into your output folder. This makes it the terminal node for many basic ComfyUI image generation workflows. So remember this clearly. Save image is not a creative node, it is an output node. Its job is to preserve the result. You will use this node at the end of almost every workflow where you want to keep the generated image. Whether it is text to image to image, or any variation of a basic ComfyUI pipeline. To summarize, save image receives the final image and stores it. It is one of the simplest node, but also one of the most important ones in any workflow. In the next video, we will move to the next node in the sequence and keep building the full workflow step by step.